Alright.
2 revives.
We did a Regigigas raid. Let's see what we get. I haven't gotten a shiny yet. So we shall see. Okay, thank you for the XP. I appreciate that.
No shiny for me.
No rewards. What?
Did I get any?
Nothing. I know. Okay, a whole 17 fan balls, whatever. What?
No.
Ah, no shiny. But still, we catch the Regigigas. We do Le Golden Berry, and we do whoosh.
I'm telling you, I've been using a couple regular raspberries, and then I'll hit them with a golden. And that's worked for me twice. I've caught them on a regular raspberry too.
Absolutely not. Cancel. Do not use Master Ball.
Oh fuck. Playing with fire, girl. Okay, so that was my 3rd regular raspberry. Now we're gonna throw a golden at his ass.
Excellent.
I feel like this one's gonna be good because I feel like the good ones are easier to catch. Because he's not throwing any punches at me.
Okay.
Go buddy for the win.
Goldie.
I almost kind of don't even care if I don't catch him. Bro, he's jumping out the balls.
Hey, I got him. There we go.
What is it?
Boop. Appraise. 3-star. Yes. Full attack. Let's go. Not a hundo,
He's flashing his
but you're
lights
still
at
3-star.
He's flashing his lights at me.
That's funny. Boop. We're gonna star that. That's how I mark my 3 stars so we don't accidentally delete them. Look at him. He's so cool. Thank you, Regigigas. Thank you guys for tuning in to my Regigigas catch.